It smells like, this is kind of hard. Welcome back to my channel, okay? This is it. You sense her before you see her. That's what it says. So y'all gonna be sensing me before y'all seeing me? Can I even get this? Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. It's like, nah, I should know better. This is my third Jackie Aina perfume. Gonna take it up out of here. Ooh, and it matches me. Tell me that's not beautiful, y'all. Look how pretty. No, I'm sorry, y'all, but I need to make my thumbnail. Let's smell it because that is what we're doing. Hold on. Why is it giving me? I'm smelling more rosies, and I'm not a rosy girl. Let's see, guys. My nose. It smells good. It smells sugary to me, though. I thought it would be more pistachio-y. Let me try again. Let me. This, ooh, it smells really good. It's giving me more. I don't know why it's reminding me of when I went to Dominican Republic. Like, I don't know why it's reminding me of when I went to Dominican. This is kind of hard because it smells so unique, but it smells mature. It reminds me of Skittles a little bit, just a little bit. I don't know. I love Skittles. Skittles is my favorite candy. So it's giving me like a mature, like a sophisticated Skittles, like a grown woman Skittles. Like after you chew all the Skittles and then you have like the red pack and then you have like all the Skittles in your mouth and it's like good, right? But then you got to mix that with like this warm, like, yeah, it is a warm nutty smell, like a warm nutty smell with your Skittles. And I guess the Skittles might be that rose scent. And then vanilla is just hiding somewhere in there because the NDA definitely shares that spicy vanilla. But then here it shares more of a, I feel like this is giving me island vibes. Like, you know, when you see the tropical trees, like it's making me think of tropical. But then it also does make me think of like something that's warm because like at the end, in the beginning, it's more tropical, but then towards the end of the scent, it's more warm and cozy. I don't know how to explain it, but that is my best way. And I would definitely wear this on vacation. I am going on vacation in about 2 more weeks. So I'm going to be wearing this, okay? And I might go to DR. This is giving me like, let's spray more. Let's spray more. Let's. Mm, 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 mm. Nah, it's making me think of when I was with my boo in DR. Like, it's giving me like, I could definitely smell the sand. Like, it's giving me like this sandy, like fresh water, sand, flirting, like it just smells so. I think that anybody would like this smell because it just smells good. Like the NDA one, I think was more like spicy, more vanilla, more strong. This one is more fun, more flirty, more, and it does smell like a she. Like the way she named it is she was here. Definitely smells like a she. Definitely smells like a she. She on vacation with the green neon bathing suit on, or with the colorful bathing suit on. But something about her is like brown. Wow. I'm about to go to bed with this tonight. I'm wearing this to bed. Okay, let's just spray a little bit more. I can't wait to see what people say when I wear it tomorrow. And I love the way it sprays. Like, it's a little spicy up the nose. Like it gives my nose a little bit of a sting. The other two didn't do that. This one is giving me like I want to sneeze. Oh, this smells good. It smells like, I don't know. Like I want to be like Skittles, bubblegum, nutty, vanilla, jacket. I don't know. It's giving me like a spring and a winter vibe. A spring and a cozy winter. How do you do that? How do you mix spring and winter together? It smells good, okay? Let me get you the box so I can read the notes to you because I done dropped the box. And for some reason, my cat is in the box. She went inside the box. I don't know why. Anyway, it says she was here. The notes are roasted pistachio, turquoise rose. I can't talk. Roasted pistachio, turquoise rose, vanilla milk, and it says it's for the girl that leaves an impression wherever she goes. And I agree. I can say that this smells like you're going on vacation, okay? But then it also could smell like you're going on a date and you're trying to be flirty and you're trying to be sophisticated at the same time. Because to me, I smell a lot of the rose notes. And I usually don't like rose in my perfumes. I don't like rose in my perfumes at all. I think that I just don't like it. But this turquoise rose, did I say it right? Turquoise, Turkish rose. I like it. It smells really good mixed in with the scents that they displayed. So the vanilla and the pistachio with this, I like the way it all comes together. So I don't have a problem with that. I feel like this perfume is good for date night. I feel like this perfume is also good for all seasons because the sweetness in it smells like a spring and like a summer to me. But then that amber that's in it, as well as this pistachio and vanilla, it gives me more of like a winter and like a cozy type of vibe, which is like in winter, you know, when you're drinking hot chocolate and you're chilling and you're just vibing out and you just want to get all cozy and cute. Yeah, that is when I will wear this as well. So I feel like this perfume is very versatile. You can use it, you can wear it whenever, and it will still leave a mark. And maybe that's the reason why she named it as She Was Here too, because it's like this is all year long. You could wear this in the summer, you could wear it in spring, winter, in the fall. Yeah, definitely in the fall. I could definitely see me wearing this in the fall with the different color leaves because this smells like different colors. In my last video, when I first reviewed it, I said that it smells like it smells like the taste of the red bag of Skittles. You know how you take the Skittles and you put them all in your mouth and you eating them from the red bag and it tastes so juicy and good and you taste all those flavors. That's kind of like what I'm smelling. But then I'm smelling like this really, really warm, sophisticated vanilla, and it reminds me of my Good Girl perfume, which is over here. If you like that Good Girl perfume, I think that you would really enjoy this. I believe that the notes in here are actually similar to notes that are in here. There's like a powder note in here, there's a vanilla note in here. I believe there's amber in here as well. And that is what this is giving me. So if you have Good Girl, just think about Good Girl mixed with a little bit of Skittles, but sophisticated Skittles, not just some any throw it around crappy Skittles. The scent has a scent to it. Like I feel like people are gonna ask me like, "What are you wearing? Like, what perfume is that? What are you wearing?" Because it smells like you're wearing more than one scent. So you can definitely smell all the different notes in here, and I feel like each note is equally as powerful. That's something I wanted to share too. Like I could smell it. When you initially smell it, it smells like candy. It smells very sweet, and then as you continue to smell it, it smells like a vanilla y, like a vanilla. And then as you continue to smell that, that's when you start to smell like this nutty smell. And it smells so good. It smells like the way I look. Like it smells like the way I look. It definitely does. Like the lipstick is giving that sweet like candy vibe. And then the vanilla is like my skin, like that sexy ice cream, vanilla ice cream vibe, like soft, creamy, yummy. That's my skin. And then the pistachio is like the whole like vibe that I got going on, like my hair and then the brown outfit. It just reminds me of pistachio. And this color right here is giving me pistachio vibe. It just matches. Like that's what I'm thinking. I say that this is a good fit if you enjoy rose smells, if you enjoy vanilla, and if you enjoy something like floral and fruity, because this is in the floral fragrance family. When I looked it up on my note, when I looked it up on Sephora, it's in the review. Some people weren't really feeling the rose, so they didn't like this perfume because they said they can smell it a lot, which you can. But I mean, I don't know if she just smelled it initially, and then just said, "I hate it." It Once you keep wearing it, you're gonna smell everything. Everything's gonna linger all together. You're gonna get the rose, then you're gonna get this warm, cozy, tasty scent, which is that vanilla, and then you're gonna also smell that like nutty, like what is it called? That nutty. Why do I feel like I'm getting deja vu's? Why am I getting deja vu's? But that nutty. What was I gonna say? Pistachio. It's giving me two seasons at once. Does that mean I can wear this all year long? Yes. And I don't know why I never uploaded the vacation vlog when I went to DR. Like, I think it was like 2 years ago, but maybe I still should upload it because this smells just like that trip. And that trip was so much fun. So much fun, okay? So I told you earlier that it smells like Skittles a little bit, like, but yummy, seductive because it has like a mature scent to it. It's mature. It doesn't smell like your little kid. I get like summer and spring vibes, and then as I continue to smell it, I get like winter and fall vibes. Be able to wear this perfume all year long. So I'm going to be able to be wherever I want all year long. I can't wait to wear this. I think I told you everything. But if this is your vibe, please like this video because I am loving this perfume so far. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Okay. And remember, you matter and everything will be okay, even if you don't know it yet. Later. Okay, I think this looks really good. But I think that you guys probably cannot hear me. So let me plug myself into my laptop. Of course, the freaking camera dies in the middle of my review. Okay, this is the She Was Here.